I'm gonna show you how to do this. I don't know if you've seen it before though, but here we go. I'm gonna try to break the tire like this at least twice per side. You see it? Just be careful though with the air valve. Some of them has a sensor, so try to do it where there is not an air valve. Okay, you don't know, I don't know, so I'm gonna do it away from the air valve. Okay, now I'm gonna mount it on the machine, spread the clothes so it take a good grip of the rim. I'm gonna measure this arm to be right at the edge of the rim. I'm hitting it because I want to just like the motion break the tire at the bottom. I'm gonna lift it and hit it on the side just to break the tire, so it's easier for me to remove the tire. Now I'm gonna clean the bed, okay, with a die grinder and a cookie. I call it a cookie. Other mechanics call it a cookie. All right, I'm gonna clean all the mold, the black spots, all that. Okay, you see all that white dust? That's the mold. That's the thing that builds up between the tire and the rim, and that thing makes the air escape through the rim and the tire. I'm gonna do both sides of the rim. Okay, that's it. You see the black line? Some people put this sealer. But I don't need to put the sealer in this case because the rim is still pretty good to me. So I'm just gonna clean it so the tire sits good on the rim. You know what I'm saying? You see, now that I get rid of all the black thing, I'm gonna put it back in the machine. I'm gonna get rid of the air valve. This is the rubber one, so this one doesn't have a sensor. Alright, I'm just gonna use a pin cutter. Now with the pin cutter, I'm gonna grab the head of the air valve and lube it with some water, WD-40. Water should be fine, water and soap. Pull it up and sit it right there. Now this red dot is the hardest part of the tire, and it should go along with the air valve or aligned to the air valve. And that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it like this because I know how to mount the tire. You know what I'm saying? You could use a machine, this arm, to mount it. Okay, but that's how I do it. All right, now I just proceed to inflate the tire. Pull some air. Just be careful though, because since you put the water with soap or whatever you want to call it, when you put air in the tire once it seals with the rim, it's gonna splash the water and soap at your eyes. So be careful though. Sometimes I put my hand right in front of my eyes or right in front of the tire that is about to pop, so it doesn't get in my eye. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to do that if you use goggles or safety goggles. You know what I'm saying? Or glasses. But you never know. You know what I'm saying? So it's just automatic muscle memory. Yeah, I mean, I put the air valve cap on, remove the tire. Now I'm about to balance the tire. I did like 4 this time. 4 tires, 4 brand new tires. You know what I'm saying? This is how I push 4 tires. You know what I'm saying? This is how I do. Yeah, I mean. Now I put it in the machine. You know what I'm saying? I look for the base fitting for the tire. Put the secure, spin it to snug it, to tight it against the machine. Now take a measure of the diameter. All right. The distance, yeah, right, that's the distance. I think it's like 43. 42. All right. Now this is gonna measure the. It says 6.5, I think, if I'm not mistaken. That's gonna be the, how you call this, bridge. And 16 is the diameter. All right. 16. I look for the base setup that I match with the type of tire, type of rim, where I'm gonna put the weights. Give it a little push so I help the machine. Now it gives me 25 on one side, left side, and 75 on the right side. Now there's a weight that I didn't remove. So watch, once I remove it, it's gonna give me another reading. Okay, I remove it like so. That's the weight. I remove the weight, get rid of it. Now help the machine spin the tire for a better reading. It was 25.75, right? Now it's 50.75. Now I'm gonna spin the tire. That's 50 right there. I don't know if you can see it. That's 50, right? So I'm gonna spin the tire until it gets me right there at the money. Now I'm gonna line it with the pin that I hold the tire and put the weight. Now it says 75. I'm gonna spin the tire until it gets me right there. All right, get the 75 ounces weight. Go to the right side, because that's the right side, right there. Align it with the pin that I hold the tire, and put the weight. Now spin the tire, help the machine. And it's gonna throw me the results. That means it's even. That means it's perfect. If it's not perfect, it's gonna tell you, oh, you need to put 25 ounces on one side or the other side, just to make it perfect. All right. Now that it's perfect, I'll put it back in the car. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Shout outs to my subscribers and followers. I'm clacking now. See you in the next one. I'm out here.